Josh, you want to do the honors?
Back to Miller's Off-Road.
Welcome back.
That's right.
Where are we at today, Josh?
Mulberry Mountain.
Mulberry Mountain. And we're going to head to some cool trails today, folks. Last I checked, it was 38 degrees. So it's going to be a little bit of a chilly one, but that's okay. We're dressed for the occasion. I think we're going to go north today. We're free balling, folks. We're absolutely free balling today.
Didn't know Tom Petty sing a song about that.
Oh, I didn't know it was free balling. Does that air feel good, Josh?
That's, I might add.
Yeah.
I compared to doing like a cold plunge.
Compared to doing the cold plunge. It's gonna be warm. Oh, look at this. Hey, Josh, what do you want to bet? When that light turns green, what do you want to bet? It's no more than 40 miles an hour.
Oh, no more.
No more, like max. It's just not happening.
Going. Slow going.
Oh, man.
Good Lord, some of them are asleep. Let's go. Good. Am I down?
There we go.
Slow as balls, ATVs.
You know they're going to be slow, man.
Yep. Traffic, man.
Dude. 13, 14 miles an hour right now. Come on.
I'm 75.
Come on.
That would just be awesome.
Yeah. Here we go. We're up to 25. Woohoo! I think I called that one, Josh. No more than 40.
Hey, what?
I think I called that one. No more than 40 miles an hour.
Yep. I mean, you did too.
I think I called that one. Holding up traffic. I guarantee you these three cars.
Yep, 40.
I guarantee you these three cars would have been doing 55 by now.
Exactly.
If they didn't have that in front of them. I promise you, dude.
Here comes a big rig, dude. What the heck? Time he got here. That dude's an idiot.
Dude.
Dude, you shouldn't be out here. If you use your head, just don't take this route. Look at the map, man.
Yeah, seriously. Oh, man. He's from Missouri.
I got him to honk.
Did you really?
Yep, I did the arm pull. He honked for me. That's funny crap.
That's awesome.
He probably loving it too.
Well, yeah. Yeah, I think I would have just been hot, you know?
Yep.
I think I would have been hot.
Yes, sir.
Oh, dude, I hit a rock so hard that it almost bucked me off my bike just now. It seriously almost threw me off the bike. Dude, we
gotta get your vision checked.
Dude, that was major. It almost
I didn't
flipped
hit nothing.
Dude, it almost flipped the bike over.
Man.
Good grief. That was major, dude. It like kicked a rock up or something. That hurt too. Got some water running this morning.
Sure. Man, they wallered this out.
Yeah, they have. All right, folks, we're on a really cool trail here. This is one that we've never shown before. It's a great trail, really, really good trail. A little bit steep in places, but it's a good one. What is it?
Alright, whenever that little piece of log sitting in there, it kind of hit the skid plate and just rolled
Oh yeah.
with me.
I see that. Uh-oh. We got a problem. We got a major...
I
Oh,
wonder if we can
you
get
see
under
it?
that log.
Hey, look
Yeah.
straight ahead. You see that?
I do.
It's
I'm not
good.
going up that. I don't think. I think we can get under this log. I think we can walk the bikes under this log that's down.
I'm going to pull
Going
up
low
my
forward.
bike and park. I don't think you can. You might be right, but I don't think you can.
I don't know.
This tree down is new.
I can't get under that. I think
No.
handlebars are gonna hit. I could
Yeah.
try, but
No, I don't think I can mess with it.
oh no, that ain't gonna happen.
I think it's up and around. That's what I think.
Yeah.
Hey, if we need to walk it, let's walk it, dude.
Yeah.
I don't mind. I know one thing, it's a low four-wheel drive regardless.
Yeah.
Come on back, you're good. Yup, keep coming. You're fine. Straight back, straight. Stay straight. There you go. There you go. Keep coming. Yep. What's it look like? I can't tell. It's pretty
Steve,
bad.
there's rocks. It's not. You could go
Hey,
up, and
why
then
don't
you
we
gotta
walk
kind of
them?
cut back over.
Let's play it safe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's play it safe, man. Walk it up there. You want me to get off my bike and I'll do one side, you do the other?
Be fine. It's not bad. It's not like super bad, but
I can't tell. Let me pull up there closer. Yeah, nothing wrong with doing that, dude. Oh yeah, it's steep enough that it's sketchy. Yeah, you want me to work that brake, don't you? I don't mind too. I think I probably, well, you're doing a decent job. I probably need to work that brake, don't I?
Do I got it in 4-wheel?
I
Yep.
hope you do. Let me, uh-oh. Here, yeah, I'll have to work that brake for you.
got it.
Okay, I got the brake. All right. Go ahead.
Sorry, dude.
No, you're fine. You're fine. I'd do the same thing. All right, and I'm going to let off. Go ahead and start. Yeah, give it some throttle.
It's gonna pull it into that rut. Oh shoot, let it go. The thing's got it, so. Here, oh, here's the problem. There's a ledge right there. It's gonna wanna pull the bike that way, am I right?
I can't even hardly reach the winch right now. I can't see a thing. I'm completely blind with this helmet on. Helmet's coming off, Josh. I can't do it.
Sorry,
I
man.
can't do it. So here's the spot, folks, that we just came up. Video just doesn't do it justice. It never will. So this tree, that's new since the last time we came on this trail. So the bypass is like the only bypass around, and it is straight up. I don't know what angle that is, but we were going to winch to that little sapling and then re-winch, but we just don't have long enough winch cable. 40 feet is all we've got. I wish I had a 100-footer. That'd be nice. Yeah. If you're not comfortable with doing it, don't do it. As soon as I took the helmet off, you guys got to keep in mind, Josh has been wearing a helmet his whole life, right? Yeah. I've only been wearing a helmet for maybe 2 years. I just never was a big helmet guy, but when we started riding together more often, we really wanted a way to communicate, so we had the cardos, and so I forced and I knew it was the safe thing to do to wear a helmet. But situations like this, for me personally, that's really dangerous to wear a helmet. I did wear a helmet up there, but it was really dangerous. I feel like my vision could have not been more impaired. I think I could have done that with a blindfolded just as easily. Like, that's the way I feel anyways. I know that's not true, but that's the way I feel about it. I just, in risky technical situations, a helmet impairs my vision so incredibly bad. I rode Josh's up, no problem. Had the helmet off, but I was down there. I didn't feel like walking back down to get my helmet, so I put it on, and I just felt like I couldn't see the trail at all. I don't know. Well, folks, I'm glad we made it up that. We were going to try to do the safe way, but we just didn't have enough winch, so we just had to man up and hammer it. Worked out pretty good. I think I'm going to go low 4, or at least low.
Yep.
Because if I'm recalling correctly, this is pretty much downhill most of the
Oh,
way.
we're good. It looks like you go back up, man.
Yeah. Big old log to hop.
There's a way around, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm wondering what that's all
bad.
about.
I don't know why. Maybe a tree was down again.
Yeah, it must have been. Yeah, had to been.
There's nothing to worry about.
Yep.
Right here.
This is a good trail right here, man.
Yeah, I like it.
I like this trail.
Watch out for that limb. It catch
I
onto
see
your
that
visor
sucker.
there.
I see
Pull
that
you a little
sucker.
bit.
Yep. Check my camera.
Ooh.
Just to make sure it's on good. I'm paranoid a little bit.
I didn't zip up my pocket there. Oops.
You do? Ooh. That's
Zipped up
dangerous.
now. It
I
is.
tell you
We're
what,
good now.
about time for me to change gloves. It's warming
Still
up.
doing good, but yours are
Mine
are
are
obviously thicker.
incredibly thick.
Yep.
These are like max.
Yep. Man. I see bottom.
Hey, slow down for just a second.
Yep, I'll stop
Hey,
right
stop. Hey, no.
Yep, right.
Hey, see that rock
Yeah.
to your right sticking out of the ground? That rock right
That?
in front of you? No, the one right in front of your right.
Oh,
tire.
that? Yeah.
Hey, go
Yeah.
over that slowly with your back tire.
here. Okay.
I seen something that I didn't like. Yeah, get your back tire right on the middle of it. Whoa. Now back up for a second. Go forward again. Huh. Okay. I guess that's normal. I don't know, that axle looks like it's moving. Might be what we're hearing. Go ahead.
It only does it when it's free spool. Like
Yeah.
when it.
Yeah.
If it's on the ground, it's not making any noise.
I didn't think, hey, bounce up and down. Go left and right with it. Okay, I guess that's normal. It looked like it was loose in there.
Yeah.
Let me,
my
hey,
record-
just stay right there. Stay right there for a second. I want a feel of it. Come here, I
my
want to show you.
recording
Put,
are off.
you're recording. Just hold your
Okay.
brake. Hey, come here.
Brakes off.
Keep the brake on. Come around here. Go to that left side right there. Go over there. Look here. This right here was moving like crazy.
Oh yeah.
That's fine. It's just the rocks, I guess.
Yeah.
That's fine. It's just I'm paranoid, man.
Yep. Yep. I get it.
I just never noticed that before.
Yeah. Well.
All right, I'm ready. I'm ready. I just got an email from Domino's. They're wanting to give me a free pizza.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'm not eating Domino's while I'm in Fayetteville.
No way, man. No way. Not a chance. It's kind of like eating at the Village Inn, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. That's worse.
I'm staying in low gear for this.
Watch out for these little stubs sticking up.
Man, I see those suckers.
Just little dudes.
Tire
I feel like those
fighters,
could pop a tire. Yep.
four-wheel low. Boy, that max engine braking is nice for this crap. It just
Just
takes
roll
me
down
right
nice and
down.
quick.
Yup.
Good trail.
It's a great trail.
Can't tell if I'm recording or not.
Oh, you want to stop and turn to look at me? A second. Get around this mess. Yeah, you're recording. You're good.
Okay.
This spot could be a little tricky, but
Four-wheel low.
But
I don't even see it. Yep. Hey, when in doubt, always just put your tires right on them rocks, man.
yep. Sure.
Just walk those suckers. Boy, I wouldn't have wanted to climb up that sucker with that Kawasaki. I know that. Ain't enough weight on that sucker.
Yep. I gotta zigzag back and forth on this little trail just to
Yeah,
avoid for
baby.
berm clearance.
Yup. Boy, okay.
oh,
Between that tree and that rock, I don't know if a 72-inch machine will fit. It probably will.
yeah.
But man, that's something to think about if you got a side-by-side. Be a close one.
Nice and tight.
Nice and tight, man.
Bunch of little step downs.
Yep. Ooh. gosh. I hit again, man. I just keep hitting.
Hey, man. Are you standing up as we go down?
Absolutely not.
Your vision's easier for seeing all that stuff when you're
I
looking
know.
over your
I know.
bike.
It's just not comfortable for filming. I want to film it sitting down.
Filming it standing up. We're getting both
Perspectives here.
Great trail. Absolutely fantastic trail.
Yes, sir.
I'm going right to the center of that sucker. Still going down. I see the hesitation. Oh, you're hitting the tree, dude.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, you should have rode that center, bro. You screwed up. You should have went right down the center of that sucker. Oh, I see. You're gonna go right side. That's probably not a bad idea. Okay. Well, I didn't see it. You were in the way.
Yep.
You made that look a lot harder than it was.
That's what I did. Well,
I
that
just
tree
cruised
got my
right
way.
through that sucker.
That tree got in my way.
I seen that. You were trying to push it over.
That's right.
Right.
You got hate in your heart. Let it out, man.
Here's a shortcut.
I see it. We're gonna race. Let's race down it. Let's not destroy our machines.
Yep.
I think you took the wrong route, my friend. Oh, it's about the same. Yeah, it's about the same. I think you've got a little rougher route.
Oh, I know I do.
Yeah, it's about the same. How's that song go that's stuck in your head, Josh?
Which one?
The one you're singing in your head right now.
Wait, I can't.
Take a load off.
Off of. Yeah. Which way do we go?
Oh, both don't look that appealing.
That ain't bad.
Momentum. Oh, first crossing of the day.
Yep, she's about 4 inches deep. Not very deep at all.
Not very deep.
It's a good trail.
It's a great trail. It's a great trail. To the center of that thing, Josh. Like everybody else,
Yep. That's why I did it. If there's several people going around it, it must be deep.
It might be. Might be.
I don't have a clue. You'll never know unless you try it, I guess.
True enough. True enough. I'm still in low gear. I assume you're not.
Oh no.
I just cut out again. Didn't hear a response.
Oh.
Still no response. Can you hear me at all?
Yeah.
Okay. I just now heard you speak. Dude, that's rock bottom, man. That's rock bottom, brother. Ooh. Ooh.
Sideways.
Very popular spot. Here we are, folks. Cool little location. A couple of little waterfalls here. It's a cool spot. You can see where people been running up that. Crazy. Running up all this stuff. It's a nice spot. Nice spot to come cool off in the summer if we've just gotten rain. This dries up in the summer. Looks like folks been having a nice fire down here. Kind of cool. Camping, I guess. I got me some new boots yesterday, by the way. See if I can cross this without falling down. Yeah. This is a cool waterfall. Man, when the water's up, this really gets rocking. It is beautiful. It's a good spot to come chill out. It's a cool spot to swim right down here too. I've seen a lot of people swimming. I've never done it. Check that out. Climb up here and jump off. That's really deep right there. Ain't that cool? That's nice, ain't it? You remember this spot, don't you?
No.
It's been a while since we've been here. Another swimming hole, man. Yep, beautiful. Well, super cool spot. We love this location. Hey, if you don't know where this place is at, maybe you're new to the Millcreek, Mulberry Mountain area, and you'd like to know where this spot is at, link in the description. Join our members only area. We'll show you how to get here. We'll show you how to get to this spot, and it's going to be step-by-step GPS guided. So it's kind of cool, especially if you don't know your way around this specific area. So we really appreciate you guys watching the video and checking it out today. Hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. We'd really appreciate that. And we'll see you next time on Miller's Off-Road.